Welcome back to Razmafzar TV. I'm going to show you the third Cretan knife from Crete, and this one is a folder. I've already shown you two other ones, which are fixed blades, and as I mentioned it to you, this is a folder, and the folder is clear that it's also made in Crete and has a very good blade. It total length of 22 centimeters, and the length of the blade on the back, I mean here up to the tip, is 9 centimeters, and length of the blade on the edge, this part, is 8.8 centimeters. Width of the blade at the forte is 2.2, and width of the blade in the middle is 2.6, so it widens and then it tapers to a sharp point. The weight is 62 grams. It's a very good folder, and it has also this Greek poem, which all these knives have. I've shown it to you before, and this one says, "A gift I give you, my friend, this knife I offer you. Think as you hold it that it carries a soul." And then here it has also Cretan Artisan, and is Cretan Hands and Inox, which is an inoxidable, as we say in French, stainless steel. It opens very well. I can, in the video after that, I'm going to show it to you. Here it shows the Cretan warriors with a musket, and map of Crete here as well, and dolphins. So we can see it here open. The handle is made of one piece of olive wood, very well made. This is this Cretan warrior, as I mentioned it before. See it here. Chiseled onto this, and this is Crete and dolphins, and this is a goat, right? Kri-Kri, as they call it. They live on this island. As I said, very well made, and I'm going now to show you a video and how it opens, and also how it cuts a watermelon for you to see how sharp this blade is. Very well made, and interestingly, it has also the traditionally made handle, which looks like a bichak or yatagan, bifurcated. And also, if you look at the shape of the blade, it reminds of a yatagan. See that? How it, like a curve, total curve.